ki khubor ka bate se TV lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Kasam Khamti Shan kan sepenlong hingga Kasam Khamti Super League hahilik lina mini stadium Maulai Modat Baki hagba andan tang arpot ligi kin hon yelekai. Kirang yelekai gberan benta hagi division repair lakade hagi SPL lani hagi I League ru gila bani shimbenta hagi Kasam Khamti Super League yakaba on penyelekai mar nyongut shiliang lani daga 7 aside. Nabenta ka kinhon la do ka kusnam kan long prapawajar lama ka trophy baga kinhon ka buan baar ka nyora ye ka song pisa ka basaw pawajar ringka baga trophy ha ka bedai bat ki form la banyo tangne helik lina mini stadium
khublai phi ki ba pa yakni khubor tinakalyang ka jongi ka Kasam Khamti football tournaments ngi kwa ban pensngau yang phi bakasan yang sakawi ka tournament ka ban ya ringkat lang ba kani ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup ba kata ka tournament ki jer kerteng ya ka Kasam Khamti Super Players League. The super players kemud ikitu ki players ki balik kai first division but super division jong ka Shillong Sports Station player SPL but kumjuru itu ki player I League but kini ki balik kai ISL mar kembang ai hakani ka tournament ke bengiya minta kani ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup ki bun ba kini ki super players ki bon ban saki kani ka tournament ke jongi but kidan nikir bi kwa ile kai langi kani ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup tambah hendrei kani ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup ka restriction iki kadan bangi sha iki ban feel tang argut ki super player barka phang padangi kalong bangi ko pen kiu gini ki players ki badang kham khna mo ki badang sedang ban kiu ti dei halo kata kanong rem ba kawai ka team ngi sha ban field phangut ki players patang argut ki super players ti da kajing kerpat lem pada jong kini ki super players ki bon pe ya kani Kasam Khamti Independence Cup nakali ang Kasam Khamti insa organize lang no ya kani ka Kasam Khamti Super Players League but hakani ka Super Players League pada ngin sha argut ki players bikin register kawai ka team ingin simtang arput ligi teams ingin split iki haki saw group kawai ke group kanan sandali ki teams pak kawai ke team kan yo balik kai sausian top 2 nang tu badai kin rong direct syaka quarter final te anda kalau adap kita ki arput team badang isnya mi bakan dap kloy kita ki arput teams sisian bikin adap badai kini ki arput ligi teams ngin ya lihat no itu draw floods kini ya set no fixtures but fixtures kini ya alternate bat kini ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup kenang ba ki semi final bat ka final ngin yo balik lang harju ka sngi bagi penyak lang ya kini ka Kasam Khamti Independence Cup kini ka Super Players League ngin sim tang arpor league team te ka prize money ki bejob kini yo 4,000 bat ka trophy bat ki runners up de kini yo 10,000 bat ka trophy kata kini ka tournament ya kini ka Super Player League kadai bet ka open to all kamdan restriction ARUM kita ki super players te dikidan ki teams ki bakwa ban feel bro kal arngut ki super players ru ngisha te ka shong ki teams ki kwa ban feel kumno te ka bottom line is ka long ba ngim dan kanu restriction ya kini ki super players bat kadai ka tournament ka ban game time ya kini ki player he mar kumbolong menta hidang ihi kadang kham sempor mo bikin wan gini ki league behe mo da ka baburam lang ya ka Shillong Sports Station kan kham sempor ki bikin penwan ya kani ka first division bak sport division tinggi ku aban sedang no pada kani swa bikin sedang kini ki first division bak sport division kenang bagi tu ki players ki boleh kai ki first bak sport division kini yo game time nang ni nangi kan te ka rule te ka di ka rule jong kani ka bangaya mi mentahi kan di ka 7 aside ki players ki boleh kai apa te ki players ki hab ban phong me de ki futsal shoes ban like ki 50-50 tackle injury bat ki players bro kai ki hab ban de ki cengat tahi